Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay someone on Cash App using credit card. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start using Cash App but pay via their credit card instead of their Cash App balance or instead of using their debit card. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, so let's go ahead and get started. What you want to do first is click on this Cash App icon, which is this green and white icon over here. So once you're on the Cash App homepage, what you want to do is click on the upper right-hand corner on your profile image. From here, you're going to see this button here that says linked banks. So what you want to do is actually go ahead and click on linked banks. And then from here, you're going to see a series of buttons. So you can currently see that I have a debit card attached. I can link a bank and then I can link a credit card. So we're going to click on link credit card. And now you're going to see a series of prompts. It's important to note that send using any major credit card at just 3%. You are going to get 3% fee if you do attach your credit card to your Cash App account. So here you're just going to enter your credit card number, the month, year, 3-digit CVV, and zip code, and then link the card. Now I'm going to go ahead off screen and link my credit card and then come back right to you. So it's pretty simple. As you can see now, I do have my credit card linked up. Now let's go ahead and actually pay someone using credit card. So if you go back into the home screen, you're going to reach this page right here. Enter the amount that you want to go ahead and send someone. So for our example, we're going to input $10 and then click on pay. Now this is the pretty important part, so make sure you listen around. What you're going to do right now is you're going to enter the cash tag of the individual. So you can either enter their cash tag, name, phone, or email, or select them from your contacts list. But the important part is that under here, you're going to see a toggle menu that says debit card. So go ahead and click on that. And then from this page, it's going to ask you, how would you like to fund this payment? You can either use your cash balance, debit card, or credit card. So notice how, again, there is a 30-cent fee if you start using credit card. So be mindful of that. If you're making a lot of transactions per day, those fees can eventually start stacking up. So here, we're just going to go ahead and click on the credit card option. And so as you can see now, the top of the toggle button icon now has my credit card attached with the 30-cent fee. So this right here is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and pay someone on Cash App using credit card. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.